So it's almost Halloween, and I had an idea. I like toffee apples. Well, I don't, but I used to. How can I make a toffee apple better? So, I like coffee, I like apples, coffee apple. Also with walnuts, and so it's like a coffee apple walnut cake thing. It's not. You'll see. Check the video out. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, wherever it may be. Thanks. So I'm making 4 of the coffee apples. So I've got 4 apples, some coffee, walnuts, and I need 150 grams of vegan chocolate. I've also got some bamboo skewers to stick into the apples. So the first step is to melt the chocolate. So I'm using a bain-marie and I've just put enough water in so it doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. So I've just broke the chocolate up and put it into the bowl, and when the water's boiling I'll turn it down straight away to a simmer and I'll slowly melt the chocolate. While the chocolate melts, I'm just going to put a handful of walnuts into a pestle and mortar and work it until I get crumbs. That's done. I'm going to go back to the chocolate and just give it a quick stir, turn the heat down and get any of the unmelted chocolate mixed in so then it melts. I decided to cut a face into my apple to make it look a little bit like a pumpkin. My knife skills are not that great, as you'll see very shortly, but once you get the chocolate melted it's going to fill the gaps in the apple, so when you bite into it you do actually get a nice chunk of chocolate. Now the chocolate is all smooth and melted, I'm going to add in the walnuts and I'm also going to add 1 heaped teaspoon of the coffee. While the bowl is still over the heat, the chocolate remains melted, so we can give it a good stir and then we're almost ready to dip our apples into the mixture. Put the skewers into the centre of the apple and then we can now roll the apple around the chocolate mixture and get as much coverage as possible. The apple on a cooling rack to catch any drips. It will go in the fridge shortly. Then we just repeat with the remaining apples. If you did cut a face into your apple, you might need a teaspoon or a brush to make sure that you get enough chocolate into the holes. And again, we just repeat the process until all the apples are done. The apples are now cooling and they are going to go into the fridge shortly, but I'm going to use this time before they solidify to put some decorations on. Now the only thing I could find that was vegan in my local shopping centre was some love hearts, so happy Halloween, I've put love hearts on the apples. So once I finish decorating the apples, they go into the fridge to let the chocolate harden. I really recommend this, it's got such an amazing different taste, coffee, apple and walnut. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.